Hello, good day. So today I will show you how to perform surgical hand washing. Okay, first step, you have to make sure that your uniform or your body does not touch the sink. Okay, then next is you test the water. Then when you wash your hands, make sure to do the cleanest area first, then the dirtiest area. Then create a lather, palm to palm, for about 5 seconds. Then back of the palm, 5 seconds. Another side, 5 seconds. Make sure the elbow is below the hand. Next is fingers to fingers interlaced. Then knuckles to knuckles, 5 seconds. Then thumb, another 5 seconds. Next, other side. After that, fingernails. Make sure to rub your fingernails in your palm in a circular motion. Lastly, we have the wrist to the elbow, around the elbow area, then the other side. When rinsing, make sure to point the elbow downwards and pass the water only one time. Hold. Repeat another one. Let the water drip for a couple of seconds. Then you can proceed